Sawadika from Thailand. You are about to come along for a ride. This will be the ultimate White Lotus experience. Behind me is the Four Seasons Koh Samui, the home of White Lotus Season 3. We're filming this before it's even come out, so we're going to be making some predictions. But my colleagues Carly and Maz have already been to Hawaii and to Sicily, the Four Seasons hotels where Seasons 1 and 2 were shot. And we're going to show you all three in this ultimate three-way battle.
Aloha from Maui. Ciao from Sicily.
Sawadika from Thailand. Welcome to your ultimate White Lotus experience. Each property offers that signature Four Seasons luxury, but with distinct personalities as unique as the show's characters.
In Sicily, the San Domenico Palace in Taormina perches dramatically on a cliff, much like Bert's near-fatal tumble. We have quite possibly the prettiest infinity pool I have ever seen. The former 14th century monastery features historic architecture and panoramic views of Mount Etna and the Ionian Sea, though we can't guarantee any opera-worthy scandals during your stay. Did you know that this towel is designed by Dolce & Gabbana, as is the parasol that I'm sitting under? And at the back of the pool, you will also find a tray full of accessories. Things like a fan, sunglasses, and even a straw hat. So if you'll excuse me, I have some really hardcore lounging to do now.
The Maui Resort, where the Mossbacher family tried to relax, boasts 3 gorgeous pools, including an adult-only Serenity pool, perfect for avoiding any Tanya McCoy-level pool drama.
There's cabanas that you can rent, which is what I did, so I'm very excited to get this started. Here is my cabana. We got a TV, couch to chill on, robes, and a gorgeous view of the pool. You can also order drinks and food, really everything you could possibly need under this roof.
Over in Koh Samui, the resort is a tropical hideaway with infinity pools cascading down the hillside. And this is the pool and the beach. I'm told by the insiders here that this is a major location for the new season of White Lotus, and I can see why. The Four Seasons has this place down to perfection. Whether you like the pool or the beach, the sand or a cocktail, it's all here for you. And I know some stuff is going to go down in White Lotus right here. The property's private beach might remind you of...
Okay.
Nice.
Well, we won't spoil season 3, but let's just say you'll want to keep your wits about you.
In Maui, oceanfront suites offer these same stunning views that the Pattons enjoyed before their marriage imploded.
Oh my gosh. Welcome to my gorgeous garden view room. I have a view of the garden, and there is what I assume is the rest of Maui, or it's another island. I don't know. Do not come for me with my Hawaii geography because it does not exist. Stunning, oversized marble bathroom. There's a dresser, there's a double basin vanity, plenty of counter space and shelving. Now the average price per night of this room is about $1,435. I'm about to view the infamous pineapple suite. I'm so excited. Welcome to the Lokilani suite, officially known as the pineapple suite. This is bigger than I expected. In the show, it did not look this big. Obviously, they only featured a little part of the suite, but there's so much more. It keeps going. Oh my gosh.
The rooms blend Hawaiian culture with modern luxury, featuring private lanais, perfect for contemplating life's mysteries or plotting revenge.
Let's go through a few quick facts. This is about $29,000 per night. It's about 7,200 square feet, including the indoor and outdoor garden space. It has a 180-degree view. You get the ocean, you get the islands, you get to see the rest of the resort. This thing is the biggest suite I have ever been in.
Ooh, I like it. Taormina's rooms maintain their monastic bones while offering contemporary comfort. Instantly, I feel calm. Lots of natural and neutral tones, and the textures, nice warm woods. I mean, this is the very definition of sleek. these pillows. I mean, this is the very definition of fluffy. And in here we have the gorgeous marble bathroom. To my left, we have a toilet and a bidet. To my right, we have a huge tub and large rain shower area. Behind me, we have a sink equipped with toiletries. The premium suites, where Portia should have spent more time in instead of chasing dangerous romance, feature terraces overlooking the ancient Greek theatre. And in terms of cost, this room is priced at about 2,400 euros per night.
Koh Samui's accommodations range from hillside villas to beachfront suites. Each room opens to the Gulf of Thailand's turquoise waters. Just try not to get too caught up in any mysterious guest intrigues. Now my room, an ocean pool villa, they start at around $1,500 a night. You're gonna get that slightly bigger swimming pool. And this is the bedroom. Around the room, there's a huge TV. You've got a lovely sitting chair and a desk area. High ceilings, ceiling fans everywhere you look. And just an effect that makes you feel tropical, but also at home. If you think this is special, wait till you see some of the other rooms in this place. Here are the residences. These are privately owned, but you can book them. They start at $7,000 a night. They are epic and they're a key part in the White Lotus story. This very one, it's amazing. And it has not one, not two, not three, but 4 bedrooms. And this one is the master suite. You get the amazing bedroom, the bathroom, and the gorgeous freestanding tub. But what's really special about this room is this. It's the sum of the whole place. This is just your master suite, but beyond is the main swimming pool, the main house, and all the other bedrooms. And when you put this all together, this has got to be one of the most special places to stay in all of Thailand. And that's why it's central to the White Lotus story in this property.
Maui's dining scene includes Ferraro's open-air Italian restaurant, where tensions simmered between Rachel and Shane.
I had to start with a pasta water martini. This is the hand-rolled cavatelli and then truffles on top. If there is truffle on the menu, I am absolutely ordering it.
And Spago, where the Mossbachers had their awkward family dinners. The breakfast buffet at Duo is significantly less dramatic than Armand's final evening, we promise.
The Taormina property serves Michelin-worthy Sicilian cuisine, though hopefully with less complicated dynamics than Portia and Albie's dates. Time to try the primi, the pasta alla norma. Wow, perfection. Next up, we have the grilled sirloin steak, which looks and smells amazing. Wow, melt in your mouth good. The bar in Chiostro, set in the monastery's original courtyard, offers a more relaxed atmosphere for spotting suspicious yachties. No White Lotus Season 2 experience is complete without visiting Bar and Chiostro indoors, because this is the very setting where so much cheekiness happens between the characters. Wow, it's bittersweet, zesty, and yet still really nice and refreshing. When you're a Four Seasons hotel, especially a White Lotus one, you can expect nothing but the best quality drinks here.
In Koh Samui, multiple restaurants showcase Thai and international cuisine. The resort's signature Koh Thai kitchen provides panoramic views that would distract from even the most scandalous dinner conversation. You then walk through into a bar area where there are the most unbelievable selections of wines and champagnes, vintages. It looks like cellars everywhere. It is an incredible place if you're an alcohol lover.
Oh, what does that mean? It means we're not dead yet.
Amen. Amen.
This is no ordinary buffet. It has blown me away already. There are endless options, rows and rows of food, fresh. There's somebody right here cooking up pad thai. I don't even know what's going on. There's more than you can even take in. And I'm actually quite worried that I'm not going to be able to eat everything in here because I want it all. Look at that. Let me tell you, you're going to get entertained here. White Lotus or no White Lotus, you can sit and have dinner and have a fab time. Each resort offers unique experiences reflecting their location.
In Maui, you can take an outrigger canoe excursion. No Olivia and Paul style schemes required.
I am going to do the outrigger canoe. So that is what the son does when he's, sleeping out on the beach. I actually got to go out just myself and the staff. So it was a very intimate experience. Got to jump in the water. It was so blue. It was the perfect temperature. That is one that you cannot skip if you were staying here.
What?
This is the red pencil return.
This spa offers treatments that might even help Belinda forgive and forget.
You are so talented.
We have come to Castello degli Schiave. Not only is it a scene in the White Lotus Season 2, but also an iconic filming location for the Godfather trilogy. So we've really got a 2-in-1 right now. I'm here at Isola Bella, very pivotal location in the show. If you come during low tide, which is not now, you can actually walk along the bank just like Ethan and Daphne did.
Koh Samui offers everything from Muay Thai boxing classes,
Full power every single time. How you train is how you fight. Push me or grab me. Push me or grab me.
he's beating me, get me to the spa, to elephant sanctuary visits. We're here at the Elephant Kingdom Sanctuary. It's an ethical spot. It's amazing here. They're looking after these very happy and healthy elephants. You get to come here on the skywalk, and we're gonna feed the elephants now, because you really want it, don't you? You get one of those. Woo. To playful water activities. I think I might need some lessons. I am so excited about this part of the hotel. This behind me is the secret garden spa. Now, one thing we know about season 3 is that Belinda, the spa manager, has been sent on secondment here. So something is gonna go down in this place. The spa's natural healing treatments might even help you recover from whatever drama unfolds in season 3. Just gonna go get changed. Ready to go. I'm about to get naked now and start my spa treatment, and you need to get out. Whether you choose the waves of Hawaii, the cliffs of Sicily, or the beaches of Thailand, these Four Seasons resorts offer luxury experiences worthy of a White Lotus stay, just with significantly less scandal. Unless, of course, that's what you're into.
Oh my God. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Just remember to tip your spa therapist, and maybe check the guest list before booking.